Hi, I'm Palitz and this is my first ever unboxing. Today is a special day because it's Girls' Generation's Taeyeon's birthday. Happy birthday, Taeyeon! Taeyeon Chika! I never imagined that I'll be doing unboxing of any item. Though recently I helped my ate Lab unbox her new deluxe edition BTS album. I posted it so you can check that out as well. I want to thank Girls' Generations Philippines for my King's Infinite playlist. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort. I love every single item, especially the poster. That's really unexpected. Thank you so much. So let's see the items that are included in the kit and some surprise items. This video doesn't contain any paid promotions, but the cup sleeve event kit is brought to us by Girls' Generations Philippines, Serenity Philippines in partnership with Cafe Amazon, SM North EDSA.